Namaste children. Today I am going to explain about data types in SQL. Let's discuss about a very simple but very important concept available in almost all the programming languages, which is called data types. As its name indicates, a data type represents a type of the data which you can process using your computer program. It can be numeric, alphanumeric, or decimal. Let me read the definition of data type now. A data type is an attribute that specifies the type of data that the object can hold. In every programming language, you have set of data types. It differ from one programming language to another programming language. Now let us see the data types of SQL. In SQL, you are going to use three types of data. First one is character type, second one is numeric type, third one is date type. Character data type. What it will do? Character data type stores data which are words and free form text. The character columns can store all alphanumeric values like name, address, gender, etc. Character data types are char, varchar, varchar2. Char has fixed length, right padded with spaces. Varchar has fixed length, right padded with null. Varchar2 has variable length. The length can be changed. Numeric data type. Numeric data types are mainly used to store number with or without fractional part. It can also store roll number, age, phone number, salary, etc. The numeric data types are number, decimal, numeric, int, and float. Number. Number data type stores fixed and floating point numbers. It is used to store integers of up to 38 digits of precision. Decimal and numeric. This data type have fixed precision and scale. The precision defines the total number of decimal digits to store within the number. This includes digits to the left and right of the decimal. The scale defines the total number of decimal digits to the right of the decimal. Int or integer. This is used to store integer number without any fractional part. Float data type. This data type is used to store numbers with the fractional part. Date data type. Date data type is used to store valid date values ranges from January 1 to December 31st. The date formats are YY-MM-DD. Here YY denotes year, MM denotes month, DD denotes date. In some formats, you have YY alone. In some other formats, you have 4Ys are there, no? What is the difference between these two? YY means you have to use the last two digit of a year. For example, if it is a 1999, you have to type only last two digit 99 alone. If you use 4 YYY format, then you have to type the full year, that is 1999. Okay. Another date formats DD slash MM slash YYR, YYYY slash MM slash DD, or MM slash DD slash YYR, DD slash MM slash YYYY. Date of birth, date of admission, etc. can be stored under date data type. So far what we learned, children, today we learned about data types in SQL. What are the three main data types in SQL? Character, number and date types. Under character data type you have three types: char, varchar, varchar2. Char has fixed length, right padded with spaces. Varchar has fixed length, right padded with null. Varchar2 has variable length, can be changed. Next one is numeric data type. Under numeric data type you have number, decimal, numeric, int and float. Five types. Okay, five types of numeric data types are there. One is number, another one is decimal, third one is numeric, fourth one is int, fifth one is float. Third one is date data type. Under date data type you have five formats. How you will store the data in date formats? YY MM DD or DD/MM/YYR, YY/MM/DDR, MM/DD/YYR, DD-MM-YYYY. That's all, children. Read the lesson, children. In demo class, I will explain this concept elaborately. We'll meet you in the next session, children. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next session.